You guys are awesome. Over 2,000 of you watched my biscuit fail, but you put in great comments and tips. And today I'm going to test out 6 of those tips on Brenda Gantt's biscuit recipe to see if it helps me make better biscuits. Number 1, you guys said my bird's nest was too big. So I'm going to make a smaller bird's nest. I know I was supposed to have this up to the sides. I hope that's smaller. Then we're going to put in our 2 egg size lard. Tip number 2 was that I put in too much buttermilk. So less buttermilk. I'm going to go with that. We're going to work the lard into the buttermilk. Now I'm going to start with my little pinky, pulling in a little bit of flour. And tip number 3 was that my dough should be drier before I take it out of the bowl. It's very sticky right now. So I'm going to make it a little drier. What do y'all think? Oh, I still don't know. Okay, I'm going to use some of this flour. Does that look a little drier? Yeah, that does look a little drier. Okay, now I'm going to just fold it over a few times. Not going to make very many biscuits. Okay, tip number 4 is that I patted out my dough too thin before. So this time I'm going to leave it thicker. Does that look thick enough to you guys? Okay, and tip number 5 was to not twist. So I'm just going, I only have a small amount of dough. I'm only going to make 2 biscuits. Not twisting is hard to do. And they're quite heavy. Pretty thick looking though. And tip number 6, which surprised me, was using a cast iron skillet. I've already got it greased and I'm just going to put it right in. A viewer made a very good point that the aluminum pan that I had used is not made to hold up to such high heats since this goes into a 500-degree oven. Y'all, I'm not twisting, but look at this. I only got 3 biscuits. Should I make some more? Well, do I make 3 or do I make more? Interesting. I think I'll mix up some more and be right back and fill up my pan. Now I have a pan going into a 500 oven. We'll see. You guys, look at this. Looks pretty good. Now a bonus tip that a viewer said was to put some butter on top of the biscuits right when they come out. Oop, I think I just burnt my mitten. I'm just gonna do this, a little bit of this. Okay, let's pull one out. This one kind of looks the best. Ooh. Wow. The bottom is really brown. Maybe too brown. It looks good though. Oh, y'all, that looks good. Now that looks like what I expect a biscuit to look like. Okay, I'm excited. I saw that part. Mmm. Mmm. We might have done it, y'all. We might have done it. I'm gonna put a little butter in here. Take a bite. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Miss Brenda, we have made biscuits. Viewers, your tips came through. We did it, y'all. We did it. Good job.